Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to physics class. In today's class, I am going to discuss on some numerical related to the projectile motion. Let me start the class. Question number 1. At what angle should a projectile be thrown such that the horizontal range of the projectile is equal to half of its maximum value? The solution is, we know that horizontal range of the projectile is equal to V0 square by G into sine 2 theta 0, and also maximum horizontal range R maximum is equal to V0 square by G. Here we have to find angle of projection theta 0 when the horizontal range of the projectile is equal to half of its maximum value. So, V0 square by G sin 2 theta 0 is equal to 1 by 2 into R maximum is equal to 1 by 2 into V0 square by G. Then, sin 2 theta 0 is equal to 1 by 2. So, 2 theta 0 is equal to sine inverse 1 by 2 is equal to 30 degree. Since sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Now, theta 0 is equal to 30 degree by 2 is equal to 15 degree. Second question is, a bullet fired at an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal hits the ground 3 km away. By adjusting its angle of projection, can one hope to hit a target 5 km away? Assume the muzzle speed to be fixed and neglect air resistance. What is its solution? Given that horizontal range R is equal to 3 km, angle of projection theta 0 is equal to 30 degree. You know the value of acceleration due to gravity on the earth. This value G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. We know that horizontal range for the projection velocity V0 is R is equal to V0 square by G sin 2 theta 0. As R is equal to 3 km and theta 0 is equal to 30 degree, then 3 km is equal to V0 square into sin 2 into 30 degree by G. Then 3 is equal to V0 square into sin 60 degree by G. So, V0 square by G is equal to 3 by root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 root 3, since sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. This expression is given as 1. The maximum range, that is R maximum, is achieved by the bullet when it is fired at an angle of 45 degree with horizontal. Then R maximum is equal to V0 square by G, which is the expression 2. On comparing the equations 1 and 2, we get R maximum is equal to 2 into 1.732 is equal to 3.46 km. Since root 3 is equal to 1.732, hence the bullet will not hit a target 5 km away. Third question is, a particle is projected under gravity at an angle of projection 45 degree with the horizontal. Its horizontal range is 36 meter. Find maximum height attained by the particle. Let us see how to solve this problem. Given that angle of projection theta 0 is equal to 45 degree and horizontal range r is equal to 36 meter. We know that horizontal range r is equal to v0 square by g sin 2 theta 0. Then 36 is equal to v0 square by g into sin 2 into 45 degree. So 36g is equal to v0 square into sin 90 degree is equal to v0 square. Since sin 90 degree is equal to 1, then v0 square is equal to 36g, which is the expression 1. And also we know that the maximum height attained by the particle h maximum is equal to v0 square into sin square theta 0 divided by 2g, which is equal to 36g into sin square 45 degree by 2g. Here we have substituted the value of v0 square from the expression 1. So h maximum is equal to 36 by 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square. Since sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Then it is equal to 18 into 1 by 2 is equal to 9 meter. Therefore, maximum height attained by the particle h maximum is equal to 9 meter. Fourth question is, the ceiling of a long hall is 25 meter high. What is the maximum horizontal distance that a ball thrown with a speed of 40 meter per second can go without hitting the ceiling of the hall? You see the solution. Given that speed of the ball v0 is equal to 40 meter per second and maximum height h maximum is equal to 25 meter. In projectile motion, the maximum height reached by a body projected at an angle theta 0 is given by the relation h maximum is equal to v0 square sin square theta 0 by 2g. As h maximum is equal to 25 meter and v0 is equal to 40 meter per second. Then 25 is equal to 40 square into sin square theta 0 by 2 into 9.8, since g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Then sin square theta 0 is equal to 25 into 2 into 9.8 by 40 square is equal to 0.30625. Then sin theta 0 is equal to square root of 0.30625 is equal to 0.5534. Therefore, theta is equal to sin inverse 0.5534 is equal to 33.60 degree. We know that horizontal range r is equal to v0 square by g sin 2 theta 0. Then r is equal to 40 square by 9.8 into sin 2 into 33.60 degree is equal to 1600 by 9.8 into sin 67.2 degree is equal to 1600 into 0.922 whole divided by 9.8. Since sin 67.2 degree is equal to 0.922. So r is equal to 150.53 meter. So The maximum horizontal distance that the ball thrown with a speed of 40 meter per second is 150.53 meter. And fifth question is, a cricketer can throw a ball to a maximum horizontal distance of 100 meter. How much high above the ground can the cricketer throw the same ball? What is its solution? Given that maximum horizontal distance r is equal to 100 meter. The cricketer will only be able to throw the ball to the maximum horizontal distance when the angle of projection is equal to 45 degree. That is, theta 0 is equal to 45 degree. Then what should be the horizontal range for the projection velocity V0? It is given by the relation r is equal to V0 square by g into sine 2 theta 0. Then 100 meter is equal to V0 square by g into sine 2 into 90 degree. Then 100 is equal to V0 square by g. So V0 square is equal to 100g, which is the expression 1. Here, the ball will achieve the maximum height when it is thrown vertically upward. For such motion, the final velocity v should be equal to 0 at the maximum height, that is h maximum. Then acceleration will be acceleration due to gravity with minus sign, that is a is equal to minus g. Using the third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Since u is equal to v0, h is equal to h maximum and a is equal to minus g, then the expression becomes as v square minus v0 square is equal to 2 into minus g into h maximum is equal to minus 2g h maximum. As final velocity v is equal to 0, so h maximum is equal to v0 square by 2g. Since v0 square is equal to 100g from the expression 1, then h maximum is equal to 100g by 2g is equal to 50 meter. Then the maximum height reached by the cricket ball in its vertical motion is equal to 50 meter. From the trigonometric table given in this slide, you can see the values of the trigonometric functions such as sine, cosine, tan, and their reciprocal functions which are cosec, sec, and cot respectively by the different values of their angles such as theta is equal to 0 degree, theta is equal to 30 degree, theta is equal to 45 degree, theta is equal to 60 degree, and theta is equal to 90 degree. You must study the values of first three trigonometric functions. They are sine, cosine, and tan. Dear students, today's homework questions are given in this slide. Please, you have to work out these question answers by today itself. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.